What is up, guys? It's your boy No Risk, No Premium, back with another episode of the 2 Minute Drill, guys. Today we had what? We had our balance day. We moved a little bit lower, but we had our balance day right after the market digested. Right, this fall down from 417 all the way down here to 408. We went a little below and pretty much balanced all day long. If you look at, I mean, really any chart, but a 1 hour chart will do. We dropped down and then we never got. Look, what's the bottom of the balance zone? Was that 406? What did we say on this on the 2 minute drill last night? If we get below 406, look for the higher low to take the short, right? Right down to the previous week low, right? PWO, previous week low. We can see it's 403.75. Okay, 403.75. We could see it. Then we got up and we could not get back above, right? We could not get back above a hold a candle close on the hourly over that 406 is the bottom of the balance. But we still have created now a what? We do have this little gap to fill here, right? Small gap to fill. Pretty much call it 408 even would fill it. Okay, it's 47 excuse me 407, 85 something 75 whatever. Call it 408. Play it safe. Okay, could we fill that gap tomorrow? It's very possible. Why we could fill it tomorrow? We have a lot of pre-market data. 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, non-farm payroll jobs report comes out. That will be important. Why? Quick TED talk for you. The Fed is looking at anything price related, CPI, PPI, PCE, and anything jobs related. If we have big jobs data tomorrow, like non-farm payroll, we'll want to know. That'll give us an insight if they're going to continue to raise rates, if they could possibly pause rates or decrease rates. It looks like they're going to continue to raise rates after Jerome Powell's comments on Wednesday, basically saying inflation is still out of control and we have to get back to price stability. Says it over and over and over and over and over and over. So let's see if the data tomorrow reflects the jobs, or excuse me, reflects what Powell has been saying in the jobs market, right? So let's see. If not, though, look what we have here. We do have a candle close underneath our balance zone. We've had this balance zone. Okay, we've had this balance zone. We are below it now. Okay, the last time we were down here, we spiked up the next day. We had a gap up. You can see it right here. Fake breakdown. Now we're closing back in it. Okay, and we start balancing in this zone here, right? We balanced in this zone here. So if we're moving from this area of balance and moving down, do we go find the next area of imbalance? And if you want to go find the next area of imbalance, just take a peek on the run up and you'll see a few spots, right? You'll see a few spots. This was an area of balance. And here, 401.50 to 402, we know that. And then we do have a gap to fill down 408. So, excuse me, 398.75. Okay, 398.75. But look, But look, remember this area over here where we had this huge double top supply area? Then we finally got through it and then it turned into demand. That's why I like this area at 401.50 to take that bounce. And there's possibly a put wall at that 400 area. The open interest on them today was massive and it probably still is huge. We'll have to check in the morning, see what the updated numbers are though, but that can give you an inclination too of where, right, the market maker probably doesn't want the market to go, right? But nonetheless, I do like 401.54 bounce underneath 403.75. If you do want to play this and make this trade tomorrow, just depending where we open. It just depends where we open tomorrow, right? It just depends where we open. We could gap back up and fill the gap, right, to that 408 and fade, or we could get back above 408, hold, and take it to 410, 412. But if we get below 403.75, I like 401.50 to 402 for a bounce. We are also approaching what? The 50-day moving average is purple dotted line. We are still spending our second day now underneath the 5 MA, the 20 MA, the 8 EMA, and the 21 EMA. Underneath all those levels. So does the 50 MA right at 403? Do we dip maybe a little bit into this demand area, below there and pop back up? It's very possible. So let's see what happens. The only thing I know is this, guys. It doesn't matter what the data says. It just matters how the market reacts to it. Okay, it doesn't matter what the data says. It just matters how the market reacts to it, right? Who had their earnings today? Apple did. And Apple was supposed to have a 6-point move. It's up 3 points, whatever. Does it hold overnight? I don't know. We'll see. Let's see what that's at in the morning. But I can tell you guys this. You need to wake up early. You need to get your levels right. And you need to not do anything fucking stupid. We'll see you bright and early. Peace.